Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language classes. This morning I popped down to the newsagents at the bottom of my road to pick up a few bits and pieces. And while I was queuing to pay, there was an old guy in front of me buying scratch cards. I'm not sure if you're familiar with the idea of scratch cards, but they're basically little cards that you buy and you scratch off numbers on them, a bit like doing the lottery. And they tell you there and then whether you've won anything or not. As he was busy scratching off the numbers on his first scratch card, he suddenly punched the air in this delighted manner and said, go on, get in, yes, 100 quid, £100. He then added, not enough for me to retire on, but better than a kick in the teeth. If you say that a situation or something is better than a kick in the teeth, you mean that even though it's not perfect, even though it's not ideal, it's better than nothing. So in the same way, you might say, I've got a 3-day weekend coming up. It's not the holiday that I really need, but it's better than a kick in the teeth. What did you get for your birthday? Nothing special, just a few pairs of socks and a new jumper. Better than a kick in the teeth, eh? We also use the idea of a kick in the teeth to mean something very painful, very difficult to deal with. So you might say, yeah, I was made redundant from the place I used to work in about 8 or 9 years ago. Almost my entire department got laid off back then. It was a real kick in the teeth for most of us. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students. Click the like button below, it helps us with the algorithm. And in the comments section, we'd love to hear examples of things that you don't think were ideal, but were better than a kick in the teeth.